Multi-body parts can be useful in a lot of different situations. Whether you're designing a mold or an enclosure, setting up for CNC machining, or even 3D printing, maybe the model doesn't fit entirely on the build plate. It's possible to model separate parts and insert them into an assembly file, but this takes time and additional steps that are not required. You could even cut your model into 2 separate parts using an extruded cut, but then you would be left with missing material. What if there was a way we could split our model into different bodies without having to remove material? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Using the split command in SOLIDWORKS, we can split our model using planes or sketch lines in whichever directions we prefer. Here, I have a spherical bottle that contains a liquid. This won't fit on my build plate of my 3D printer, and also, it would use more supports if I printed this all in one piece. Instead, we can use the split command to create 2 separate bodies that can either be inserted into an assembly as separate document files, or split into separate bodies within the same file. This will help manage the printing process of this part. I can also add additional features if needed, like a thread or latches to secure these parts together after they are printed. By splitting the model, we have the option of whether we would like to create new documents based on the newly created bodies, or if we want to keep everything in the same file. Double-clicking the body in the Property Manager will allow the user to give the new body a document name and location to create a new document. After giving the new bodies names and locations, we can accept the split command, which will open the 2 newly created documents as well. We have the top-level spherical bottle part with the 2 bodies, and we also have the 2 documents bottle top and bottle bottom open as well. Using the 2 separate documents, they can be put into an assembly to take advantage of tools like interference detection, clearance verification, and collision detection to ensure proper fit and function before manufacturing. These bodies can now be saved as whichever file type you would need, in our case in STL, from either the top-level spherical bottle part or the individual part documents as well. The split command makes it easy to split models into different sections to take advantage of multi-body part techniques, or to be inserted into an assembly to utilize certain evaluation tools. To learn more about multi-body parts and techniques, check out the SOLIDWORKS Advanced Part Design course, sections 10 through 12. Thanks for watching.